So you want to move from this to this. So just keep watching as I'll be showing you the steps to remove table borders in Microsoft Word just right after the intro. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So we have a table just as this one, and then we want to remove the borders from this table. There are two ways to remove borders from Microsoft Word tables, okay? And the first option is definitely the best one that I can recommend to you. So enough of talking, let's practice this. To remove a table remove table borders in Microsoft Word documents, you just want to highlight all of the stuff just as so, and then you use this shortcut from your keyboard. You just want to type in, you just want to hold on the Ctrl plus Alt plus U key to automatically remove the table borders. You can see the magic has been done, and the table borders have been removed just right away. So now the second option, or the second way to remove table borders in Microsoft Word, we can see highlight all of this, and then here we come onto this border here, click on the drop down just next to the border, and then you select no border just as so. What I even like with this second method is that if you paid a close attention to the two methods that I showed, using the Ctrl plus Alt plus U keys is going to even remove the bold that has been highlighted on each text that carries a bold styling. Okay, so if you have styling on text, this shortcut might likely remove these stylings from your text. So it's always best to go in for the borders, tap here to do this clean and clear if you don't want your stylings to be taken off. But if you don't have styling on your text, you can use the keyboard shortcut to even get this done way easier. So that is it about removing borders in Microsoft Word tables. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.